If you know me, you know that I love to be in my kitchen. And it was just one of those afternoons. Alex and I had been in the garage trying to organize everything. And I went in to make us a late lunch. And I had all of these peaches as well. I had some naan bread and some pepperoni and sausage. So I decided to do some homemade pizzas. One of the pizzas that I did was sort of a takeoff from Social Grace's sandwich, the pretzel sandwich, where they use burrata cheese, prosciutto, peaches, arugula, drizzle of honey. I did the same thing with fresh mozzarella instead on the naan bread. And then I did traditional sausage and pepperoni. They turned out really good. If you're looking for sort of a spin on a homemade pizza, even just using a naan bread, would definitely give it a try.